A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Great people of Biafra, freedom fighters, lovers of freedom. As they remain the Biafran child in Wachideke Mazo Okechukwu. Why I'm here today is to tell my people how I feel, because you know we have gotten to the stage that we have to be telling people how we feel. Okay, I am an individual, and as I'm speaking to you, my people, a lot of people, they are writing me, they are telling me they hate me. You can hate me, you can, but you can't stop what I'm doing. I am telling you, my people, I'm been getting a lot of messages. We hate you. You are doing that. You are doing this. You are doing that. We don't like you anymore. Before you listen to me, I want our people to understand something. And as you are coming in here, I want you to write #free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. #free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let's do whatever we can do so that they can be able to send our leader to prison, so that everybody will be hearing from him. That is the reason why I'm here. And I'm also giving kudos to our great people on the ground. Okay, my people. Like I said, let me introduce myself first for some of you that don't know who I am. For some of you that are joining me for the first time. I am the Biafran child in Wachineke Mazo Okechukwu. I am from Ihala in Anambra in Biafra land. Like I said, for some of you that don't know what I'm doing, I have been in this struggle for years. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu recognize what I'm doing. I want you people to understand that. For some of you that are saying that I don't know you, you are just a gossiper, you are just talking. Listen, anything you are doing and you don't have enemy, believe in me, you never started. Anything that you are doing and everyone is coming to you and telling you, I will love you 100%, everything that you are doing is accurate, that people don't love you. If you are trying to do so, and you see that every time they're commenting you, try to create a problem. This is what our leader taught us. And I want you people to understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu recognize me fully. And I wish that his old page is still there. You will go back there, you will hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the call that he calls my name. He say, the Biafran child in Wachineke, Onyoma. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called me Onyoma. If you people don't know, I am telling you people today. You don't have to like everything I'm saying. But because we are individual, we have different opinion. So if your problem don't come to you, you create a problem for yourself. So the problem will come. You challenge the problem. And then we move forward. Thank you, great people. Thank you, great people. I love you people so much. That is why I'm here. And I will never go back on this quest of self-determination. That is why I'm telling you people, if you don't know me, I will create it. Go and listen to Onyendu. Onyendu will tell you, if there is no problem, he will create a problem. So he will come, he will begin to defend and challenge those problems to show that what he's doing is real. And that is exactly what I'm doing. If I don't see a problem, I will create it. The problem will come. Because we are not yet in democracy. We are still in freedom fighting. Anything can come. And what makes us as a freedom fighter and that we standing in one accord, we have to come together and defeat that condition that is coming towards us. Okay, my people, I have been saying it time with that number. You don't have to like me. Everybody don't have to like me. Some people will hate me. Let me tell you something. Do you know that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have people that hate him? A lot of people, they are Biafran people. They hate him. They know that this man is fighting for Biafra to come. They hate him. Talk less of me. Talk less of me, the Biafran child in Wachineke, the follower of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So you can hate me, you can do whatever you can say anything you want to say. I don't care. We are in freedom fighter. Okay, so what I'm trying to say today is this. I am trying to be like a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't want to be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu straight. I want you to get me right. Because if you are saying that this person is your mentor, you want to look like him, you want to behave like him, that is exactly what I'm trying to do. I want to be like my leader, because this is what he taught us. He taught us to be like him, to walk like him. And what I'm bringing to my people today is this. We have crossed the Rubicon. We have crossed the Rubicon. We have crossed it. And there is no way of returning back. You know, as an individual, regardless, because this thing I'm going to say, it may offend some people. Some people may understand what I'm saying. Regardless that DOS, through our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they suspend sit at home. They suspend sit at home. But believe me, what I'm saying, my eyes cannot take it anymore. I have to support the people. Those people that are sitting home in solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to make sure that they send our leader to a prison so that they can be able to begin to speak to us. Because this is the confusion that a lot of people are having today. And we will work towards it so that they will put our leader in prison, so that our leader can be able to be speaking to people like the way he was doing before, when he was in prison before. Now we have more people. Now we have more people joining the struggle. Now they want to be hearing also from our leader. So I'm giving kudos to our gallant men and women that are on the ground, sitting at home, doing the needful. Because it's a high time that we have to be commending them, because it's not easy. It's not easy. All this preaching of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the disciples of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for all over the years. This is what our people have been waiting for. They have been looking for this opportunity to make sure they crumble Nigeria, that Nigeria will never get up again. I am here to give you all kudos. I don't lie about it, because the majority carries the vote. And this is exactly what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu taught us. That there is a time that we will cross the Rubicon, that there is no way of returning back. And our people are in that stage right now. Let us not see it. We have to open our eyes and see it, that men are angry. Men have losing from the shame. Men and women, they have lost from their shame. They are not going back. And believe me, I am supporting them. Believe me, I support them 100%. Let us continue. For some of you that are, if you people now can be able to close the market for complete 1 week, if they can be able to send our leader to prison, so that our leader will speak to people that he's leading, so that all this problem that we are facing right now can stop. Because now I begin to understand this is only what can stop the problem. For our leader to come out and speak to people. Or many people will go and see him and hear from him. Because where he is now, in DSS dungeon, he cannot speak to people. And there is a lot of problem going on in the family. There is a lot of problem. And this problem have to be solved. So I am giving kudos to everyone, that regardless that DOS, that they get order from our leader straight to our leader, that to show us that our leader also have to say that our people have losing from the shame. They have lose this thing they have been waiting for. You have been preaching to us that one day it will come. Now it have come. That day have come. And there is no way of going back. Believe me, my people. I have been reasoning this. I have been thinking about this. I have been thought about this. That no, our people have gotten that, crossed the Rubicon, that there is no, I am telling you people. And this is only way I am saying it. I am not telling you that the order is not effective. But as far as our people have been crossing the Rubicon, they are now demanding, at least let them send our leader to prison. They are now demanding, let them send our leader to prison, so our leader can be communicating with a lot of people. So the order that he have been given, so that people will be, a lot of people are, listen to me. I have to say this, because our leader also let us understand that, some people will say, you can never understand me. You cannot. That is why some people will come, they will tell you they hate me. You have to hate me. You don't have to like me. But I am telling you that the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, Mazen Nnamdi Okwu Kanu, called me the Biafran child, the one Chineke Onoma. He called me Onoma, and I don't care what you. If as far as Mazen Nnamdi Kanu can love me and call my name and put me in the position that I am, who are you? You are not answering to you. But one thing I want you people to do, no, my brother, I don't want people to mention things that is not normal. Please don't say things or don't write nonsense. Please, I will not take it, please. I don't want to offend anybody on this video. I am saying the truth that our people have crossed the Rubicon. They have crossed the Rubicon, and there's no way of returning back. Because what I'm seeing is more than my eyes, and I have to speak because they are the people. We are the people. They are the people. The people on the ground. And you have to give them that kudos. Regardless. That means that there is a lot of pain full of their heart. There is a lot of anger full of their heart because they are not seeing their leader. And you cannot say that they don't know what they are doing. And that is why I'm coming to do this video to our people so that they will see it. I said this video is not going to last. I'm not sure that it's going to take 30 minutes. But I am coming here to give them kudos. Whosoever they may concern that are doing this. If you are planning, if your plan is for them to transfer our leader from DSS to prison, believe me, I am in support to you all. And some of you that are sitting home in solidarity with our leader, I am supporting you all. Do whatever you can do to make sure they bring our leader out, to make sure Anambra election is there. Are they going to tell us that our leader will be inside till the Anambra election will happen? I'm saying to my people, I don't know. This is a crime against humanity. This is a crime against humanity. This is a crime against humanity. Believe me, I am getting, I don't know what to say. I am getting out of my mind that our leader will be in prison. Is in DSS custody, not in prison. Anambra election will come and go. And now they have been preparing themselves. Going door to door campaign. And that is what we are not. I have said this to them. I will begin to call their name. Like all those people that are coming out for the election. Listen to me, there will be no election in Biafra land. There will be no any Anambra election. As far as our leaders still in the dungeon of DSS. And they don't want to transfer our leader to prison. Listen to me, I have to say things the way it is. You may like me. See, I may say this today, now, tomorrow, you will hear another version of another way. This is how it is. We are in freedom fighting. And I support the majority. I tell you people the truth. I tell you people the truth. You know, because that's how things will come. You will begin to reason. Also, our leader let us know that in the new Biafra, is the citizens, the people will vote, and the people will decide what to do. Yes, the order comes from our leader, but the way it is now, a lot of people have said, yes, the order comes from our leader, but we will do this thing in solidarity with him, that we can never allow him to stay there. Kudos to you all. Kudos to you all. Believe me, I don't lie about it. And listen to me, my people. Continue. Continue, don't stop it. Continue, don't stop it. But I am still telling you people that DOS led by Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have been giving the order. But I'm still telling you people, kudos. Do whatever you can do. Do whatever you can do. Let them send our leader to prison. Let our leader begin to speak to us. Because we know that we have to do, sorry, what we have to do. We have to campaign for them to do something to shift our leader to prison. Listen to me. Don't misquote me. I am under command and control of IPOB leadership. I am under command and control. And the Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is my leader. And my loyalty to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu can never stop. I can never deviate from the order of DOS. But I am telling you that the people, kudos to you all. Continue, don't stop. If the people think that what we are doing now is what they will make them to send our leader to prison, then let us continue it till they send our leader to prison. So that our leader will be freely talking to people. A lot of people can go to prison and visit him. Because where he is today, nobody is visiting him. Nobody is seeing him. I know that during the time that our leader was in prison before, a lot of people can go and see him. Some Ohanese went. Some individual went. Even though, what is his name? Evangelist Elliot. Visit him. A lot of people went there and visited. Normal people went there and visited him. That is the way it's supposed to be. But some of you that I said that you are hating me, you have to hate me. Don't like me, don't love me. That is who I am. That is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu see in me before he called me the Biafran child. I am Onyoma. I do my work. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appointed me. If you people don't know me, go that place. I wish that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu page is still there. Go back there. You will see how many times Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called my name. Not once, not two, not three, not four. Many times. Many times. I don't lie about it. And I'm so opportune to work with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. I'm so opportune. That is the day Chukwu Okike Abiama blessed me. The first day that he calls my name. And further and further and further. Till he put Onyoma on top of it. He put Onyoma with Igbo language. The Biafran child in Chineke Onyoma and the name every Homa. I don't lie about it. Because I don't have any grudges with anybody. I say things the way it is. I don't romance anything. That is why you don't have to like me. Or you don't have to love me. And when you think that everything I'm saying is yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, I will create a problem. So that I will begin to counter the problem and begin to defend myself. This is how it is. This is how it is. I don't lie about it. And I am telling you all, those our brothers and sisters, they are in the land of Biafra. Those of you that are doing the good work, those of you that are working towards for them to send our leader to prison, I am in support of you all. Do what you can do. If you think that you can close the whole market in Biafra land, let me tell you one thing, my people. We have to understand this. Government did not pay you. Government don't pay you at all. It's your own sweat. So whenever you are doing it, you are doing it for your own self. You love him for you to do that. You love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because if government is paying you, now they will be saying that, okay, government are paying them. Everything you are doing it because you love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I have come in conclusion that what you people are doing, you are doing right. I don't lie about it. I keep on telling you people that I am the Biafran child in Chineke Mazi Okechukwu. I am under command and control. I don't lie about it. But we have to continue. We have to do everything in our disposal. We have to do everything humanly possible to make sure they send our leader to prison. To make sure they send our leader to prison. So that we will know Anambra election is here. Anambra election is here. Are we going to allow these people to consult an election without the knowledge or without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in dungeon of DSS? Are we going to allow it? I am not in support of it. I am not in support of it. I am from Anambra in Ehiala. I am not in support of it. Our leader, they have to send to him in prison so that he will begin to speak to some people, different people. If you have time, you can go and make application and you can visit him. That is how things work. The way they put our leader today, they put our leader in a tight corner that nobody, a few people are seeing our leader, and is causing a counter motion. It's not a counter motion, but because it's not a counter motion, I'm sorry, my people. Because what is happening today outside, our people they have crossed the Rubicon. This is what I make the title. The title, the indigenous people of Biafra have crossed the Rubicon. And there is no way of returning. They are not returning. What I'm saying, these people are not going back. They are not going to accept. And I am supporting them. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Let them give us our leader. Let them send our leader to prison. This is my demand. Let them send our leader to prison. You can write it. Let them send our leader to prison. Begin to write it. So that our leader, my people, sit at home. If sit at home will continue from the day, let it continue. Let them send our leader to prison. Let our leader begin to speak to us. Let us understand what is going on. We have, I don't know what is going on. But that is what I'm telling my people today. That are kudos to you all. Those that have taken the bull by the horn. Those of you on the ground. Those of you that you are self-employed. And you don't care. Because they have been telling us years. Time without number that we, the Biafran people, especially the Igbo people, we love money. We can't do without money. Now I begin to believe that Chukwu Okike Abiama will keep on blessing you people with that money. Chukwu Okike Abiama will keep on blessing the people of Biafra with their wisdom and money. He will keep on blessing them. Because now I know 100% that Biafran people can do without money. And that is why Chukwu Okike Abiama will keep on blessing you people. Everything that you people put hand on. Chukwu will bless you. Okike will bless you. Tamono will bless you. Ogene will bless you. Because as far as you people can take away this money or the wealth and begin to sit at home without anybody paying you, without any compensation, believe me, kudos to you all. Kudos to you, the people of Biafra. Kudos to you, the motherland of Biafra. This is what we represent, the motherland. This is the father, but this is the motherland. We are from the motherland Biafra. My great people, I thank you all for listening. This is what I have to tell my people. Like I said, this broadcast is not going to waste time at all. This is my just a quick video to my people, to great people of Biafra. This is a quick video to them. Please don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. That thing you believe that is going to help. That thing you believe that is going to take our leader to prison. That thing you believe that this is what we can do. They have, I believe they have released, what is his name? From Yoruba land, from Oduduwa land. They have freed that one. Why our leader? I keep on telling people that our leader never commit any crime against anybody. I stand on it. I stand on it. And I can defend it any place. Mazen Nnamdi can never commit any crime against anybody in that contraption. Rather, they are the people that are committing crime. Kill 28 men in his compound. Chase him away in his kingdom. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is a king. For some of you that don't know, he is a king. He is a king. And king must be respected. King must be respected in his land. I know the adage that our people always said, but Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have to be respected. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is a nation by itself, by himself. So that is what we have to do. Thank you, my great people of Biafra. Thank you, freedom fighters all over the world. Kudos to you all. Kudos to you all. May Chukwu Okike Abiama guide you people. Anybody that come across this video, please share it. Please share this video. Please share this video. Why I'm doing this video today is because the people, the minds, and the cry of people have to be heard. The mind and cry of the people have to be heard. And that is exactly what I'm doing today. That is exactly what I'm doing today. No, please, my people, don't say things, don't write things that you cannot defend, please. I don't want you people to write things that you cannot defend. I am telling you people my opinion. And then I am not saying this for you to begin tomorrow to say that you love me. You don't have to love me. You have to start hating me. But I will keep on saying whatever I want to say. Because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu appointed me. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu put me in this position. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu called me the Biafran child. He called me Onoma. And I will keep on doing my good work. But I am begging you, my people, don't come to this my page and begin to write nonsense. I will not take it. You know, you people are the people sometimes who will begin to make people get anger. I am saying things the way it is. What I want you to write is like, send our leader to prison. Send our leader to prison. That is what you can begin to comment. Don't write that this one is that. This is the problem. I want us to be reasoning. Let us be reasoning. Let us be written. I don't like our people. Anytime you see where they are doing broadcasts, you think that I'm saying things that you like. You will begin to abuse. This is not the way it is. This is not the way. Because tomorrow you may see me in another form. You see, if I maybe more, that is what you have to understand. Those people that are doing the rebroadcast, that Chukwu Okike is touching them to speak, they don't say things. Sometimes they say things in parable. Please, my people, stop writing against anybody. Please, please, I am begging you all. So that peace will reign. So that everybody will do what we feel like to do. Regardless that the order have been suspended. It's come from our leader. I am saying, telling the people, the order come from our leader. But now the people of Biafra have crossed the Rubicon. And they see that this thing they are doing is good for them. Believe me, kudos to you all. And don't stop till they send our leader to prison. Now, I hope you people get my point. I will rest my case here. I still remain the Biafran Shadi Chineke Mazo Okechukwu. I am from Ihala in Anambra in Biafra land. Like I always said, I am under command and control of IPOB leadership. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is my leader. My royalty to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu can never stop. And I love you all, the people of Biafra. That is why I always come up to give you updates. Whenever I sleep, I wake up, the spirit come to me, go and message them, go and support them, go and tell them to continue. That is exactly what I'm doing. Nobody sends me. I keep on telling people, nobody sends me. Nobody is telling me what to say. When it will come, like I always said to tell my people, and the mouth will be saying what the message they give him to say. I am a messenger. That is why I'm telling you, if I do message, I give message, I give message, I give message. If I don't see problem, I will create one for myself to begin to tackle it. To know those that loves you, to know those that hate you. But those of you that love what the Biafran child in Chineke is doing, keep on loving him. For those of you that are hating me, keep on hating me. But one thing I'm trying to tell you people, you can't stop me. You can never stop me. You can never stop me. Thank you, great people of Biafra. I pray to you all. I pray for you all. Also our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who is in the hands of DSS. We are praying, and the people of Biafra should continue till they will send our leader to prison. And our leader, any place he is, he will find a place in his heart to forgive. If the order that he gives, that the people say that, no, we are doing this for you, my leader. I believe our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that I know quite right, will always find a place in his heart to forgive us. That we don't know, but we have to do what we have to do to bring you out, or to put you in a place that you will begin to talk to us. That is exactly what these people are doing. This is exactly what the people of Biafra are doing. I am sorry to use just a normal people. People of Biafra, please, my people, forgive me. Because you see, English, I always said it, we will keep on making mistake because it's not our language. So whenever I make a mistake, you people should forgive me. It's not what I want to say. Okay? I know that our leader, any day that our leader will come out and he will heard that he have given order and the people are not obeying the order, our leader will find a place in his heart to forgive us. Because we have to do what we have to do to safeguard, to protect the life of the man that have sacrificed everything on this planet Earth. I want you people to know he have sacrificed a lot. His parents have died. They chased him away from his kingdom. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was in exile, as we also in exile. Okay? Thank you, my people. I love the people of Biafra. I love them so much. That is why I dedicate my time to come out here daily to give them update what is going on. Again. Thank you, my people. May Chukwu Okike bless every one of us. Bless IPOB leadership. Bless the people of Biafra. Bless our leader, Onyendu Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That this Biafra that we are looking for must come in our time. And our leader will be alive to see Biafra. And that is why the people of Biafra are doing all their best to make sure that our leader is out from DSS dungeon. And I thank you all, my people. Thank you very, very much. I just want to look the time that I have used, because I said that this is not going to waste a time. Okay. Thank you, my people. Thank you. Thank you, my people. Thank you, my people. Thank you, great people. Thank you for what you people are doing. Thank you. Believe in me, that is a joy full of my heart that our people have crossed the Rubicon. I said it. Quote me any place, and I will defend it. The great people of Biafra have crossed the Rubicon, and there is no way of returning back. Quote it any place begin to I want you people to begin to write it in every platform, every social media that is available to you. The indigenous people of Biafra have been crossing the Rubicon. They have crossed it, and there is no way of returning back. That is why I'm saying kudos to you all. Kudos to you all. Kudos to you all. May Chukwu Kikabiama bless you people. He say